Some people, me have about 3 different things I go share with you. So, cause last baby mother come for Shauna Chin wicked. Seeing, she said she not really ready for her yet still, But she talk up the things them and this up Shauna Chin. Seeing we are gonna get into that because here we go on. When she did come out and I rant about cause and I go on with herself, she end up did call Shauna Chin name couple time. Seeing so Shauna Chin respond to she a call up her name and say she work up here and she do this and she do that. You know what I mean? So she now respond to it and I say she a go wait till most of the things them will go on the media kinda cool down. Then she come for Shauna Chin the right way. But we are going to hear what she have to say now. Zine and World Dawg and Krystal link up. You know what I mean? A Swiss sleep party. So we are going to share that little bit. Then we are going to talk about Dowey. But you know what? We are going to get into Dowey thing first. You see me? Because Dowey forward back at Jamaica. You know what I mean? Him the yard right now. As you can see on the picture, him that in the van with Queenie have. You see me? And one next picture out there, I'm going to share that with Uno also. Let me see me share that picture there. Yeah, hold on there. So this is the picture when him actually at the hospital. You know what I mean? With Queenie. So the dog end up fly down, and that is a good look because people did say this and them say that. You know what I mean? Or him wife sick and him not reach back at Jamaica. Him a worthless man, him not really love her and them something. But sometimes, you know what I mean, you're in the middle of certain things and something happen. Some of the time you have to just, you know what I mean, sort out what you can sort out and then you cut. You know what I mean? Because Queenie have family down at Jamaica and friends. We are going to make sure say she alright. You know what I mean? But this is a good look for sure, say boy, him eventually reach a Jamaica. You know what I mean? So, big up to them. You see it. And I hope say them have a real understanding, and not make certain things get out on the media about this and that because it look like say Dewey, him come back to have a real relationship with Queenie. You see me? I don't know if him going to stop the cheating and all these things. But it look like say him go out there, realize what Queenie was to him, and decide say him go come back and play a real husband role. Cause from him come back in a Queenie life, him not stop post her up. You know what I mean? Shout her out. Ever big up her and them something there. Me see him put up 2 pullover. What do you? One with Dowey and Queen, and one with Queen and Dowey. One female, one for him and one for Queen. You know what I mean? Like him design them. So it's a good look, you know what I mean? For sister boy, I'm there by her side, in her recovery. She got through the worst part of it already. So I just for recover, You know what I mean? So big up to the two of them. So we're gonna share the World Dawg thing and style, Them link up in at the club. Music a play, so me can't go play the music part. I go just make una see what I go on. I go play part of the music still. I go make una see what I go on.
Start dance, show me what the start dance. Start dance, start dance, start dance, start dance. 1, 2, 3. Start dancing,
Some people, it's a good look, you know what I mean? Me love how Sicily and Real Dawg friendship just come back around full circle. You know what I mean? And it would look like this, like you have a son and him go out, you know what I mean, go become a man and then forward black. You see me I say? So wish them the best in them friendship. And as me say in a previous video, me not think it a go come a day when them no deal none at all. You see me I say, I me never think say this little falling out will go on, did that go be permanent. As me say in our videos already too, that me feel like say them text, you know what I mean, each other and call each other, but them just keep everything off of the internet. You know what I mean? Because I know say Sicily grateful for what Real Dawg do for him. Because Real Dawg, as people may look upon him and saying this and him that, you know, Real Dawg a good youth, you know. You see me I say, him look out for people. You know what I mean? And as me say, enough him do for Sicily. Sicily come talk it himself. You see it? So me feel like Sicily I go always grateful to him. I mean I feel say the dog I go ever. You know what I mean? Like this Real Dawg, no matter what. You see me I say? And you know what I mean? Yeah, that. And the dog, people them book him a trip, him and his wife, to the Bahamas for his birthday. You see, so that was a good look also. You see. So let me know one thing, people. So we are go over to Come, you know. So make we hear she say.
Are fabulous. What you saying, Lexian? Certainly fabulous. Call me, Kaya. What do you? What do you want? What do you want? Hmm? What do you want? Box that. Let me give you some of this. Take a little piece. Take a little piece. Alright, let me give you some of this. Let me give you some of this. Alright. My belly full prayer. I can't eat ice cream. Right now, I'm not feeling weak for pink wall this week, so I'm not about to say what I say. Thank you, wicked. I'm on my week for pink wall. Right now, Rachel and him man take over pink wall. Sky God, auntie. I'm not feeling weak a week, yeah. I want to rest. Yeah, I want to rest. When nothing hot on the media. Yeah, no my week a week, yeah. When nothing hot on the media, me I can address a certain this particular females. Cause she want me to see her, you know? She definitely want me to see her. Cause I was on her live. She was like, oh, you're miserable. If they old miserable from them ball until them blood. If they old one miserable, now take my mad boy. If they old never miserable, then not take a mad man. Fuck don't punch she. Cause nobody not no picture with me as a quote a mad boy tongue. You crazy. Me I wait till the media. Yeah, media right now on my week this week. Got a nice girl here. On my week that week, yeah. Can't do it. Me a rest. Me want the media for kinda nothing go on. Right now, 2024 at your fuck. I never know it that so hot. Yeah. So due to how them dep on the media say Ray, but if she call me name, if you see if they say come and they come with facts, come here come with a blood clot bill, have one blood clot book full of dust. Ever see station book yet? What dusty? Why you have and blow it up? Yeah, me can't deal with the media this week. I cannot. I can't do it. And all I was say, oh, she cranny and me. Look how good me. Which part of me cranny, dear lad? No wicked like. Oh, no wickedy? My good self. And me accompany me now time for just put on an eyelash and this and that, you know. In most people to myself, I probably wear one little wig. And as
Why people? And one thing they have a be trying to chin pan a regular, you know. The gully bop thing, you know. Yeah, man. But yo, your past are the past. You understand? And it kind of help her to propel to being this person that she is. You know what I mean? It put a lot of money in her pocket, make she could have do certain things. So you can't shame of that. You see it. You can't shame of that. You have to just accept it and know say yo you suck out gully bop tongue. You have to just accept it and know say yo the past that. You know what I mean? I'm nothing wrong with him a human being same way. You see me? At the end of the day a human being. And money change everybody. You see me I say? So enough women out there the world same way. You see it? But like YG say, what you did do, you know what I mean? You should have never do or you can't robot or something like that. You see it? So Shauna Chin have to just accept the whole Gully Bob situation. I know see a part of her history. Him introduced her to the media. You understand? She was behind the scene, but she did in the music circle in her way. But him put him on the front line. You see it? So she have to just accept that. I know say everybody she in an argument with, them are gonna mention that. You see it? So that's something she can't hide from.
so, you know? But now look at my weight this week. Thank you very much. Money me want me now look. No, me I go address her already. Me address them of course. Then who can me want them call me name. Anytime call me name, I go. I think she should have come already because she said she want her throat to fix. And when time she this and she that and she there. I make sure I go dig up back some whole sitting in my phone and Mr. Alright come in. You're ready now, but you know, it's like when my man the free to call election. Like him I said, I want to stay a little bit more in his seat. Yeah. Come about me. Because a mad boy never fuck me. I one thing with me, one time I start fucking me at 18 year old. 17 I got 18. I start 6. Yep. And me fuck bad man. Real bad. Dan dada. Boy wa bust head I do bad things. I'm a fuck young all the time because I don't want no old man in my crutches. Until death do us part young for me.
Yeah,
Sorry.
I know
No what about else no? Me know about me. Me know about nobody else. Me know about me. Yeah, the family we don't like old people. Sorry. The family are we, man, woman, boys and girls, we partner after young. Cause we can't make nobody what we can't all one time. Then who are gonna do to help me cross?
Yeah, knows that. Here come say a
When
straight
people seek
young boy to our
attention,
thing.
Yeah,
they
me,
seek
yeah,
your
you
next week.
see,
You
give me
understand?
attention. Every time I put my For You page, she a pop up and she has talk and she has say, but she not call me name. But I mean, she a chat and she a throw over, but any day they call me name. The madman when fuck it up out in blood clot rape when I done with her. Any day, he call me near. Just say, come, and me see that video there. 1 month straight. He might run people and me and him on this blood clot. Yeah. 1 month. Any day. Watch
Right.
it. Because me have bill and receipt. Me say, all the man who come here fever go blood clot, could have come over me. Because me
I
a call
size,
man name.
I size them one size up, man. I size them one size up.
Make she come because she want a clout. She can get a blood clot confit. March, June, July, go right, madam, in 1 year. Make she come because me say me eat her like how devil eat all the water because she try to friend me in her work, you know. In her work, because me not friend me enemy them. She better go baptize. If I were she, I would have go whole.
One thing though, come, hot for Shauna Chin
I
still,
walk
you know.
on me now.
People who look, you know. People who see our expression. Who see our expression. It's serious. It's serious. You understand? This girl that get put on the wrong side.
Come from.
The wrong side, our bad
She
side.
too. But I give him attention, no cousin. I
You
ain't giving
understand?
them attention. My love, come here, prayer.
And that girl, if in dip on the live right now, I watch. It better.
They want my
It better.
attention. I'm not give. I'm telling you, me can't go on the media this week. I don't feel me week this week. Next, maybe next 2 weeks. When me want to die down. Right now, I can't even call him my name. Then Denier. And
Didn't hear.
they're on the media right now. Me can't go on there right now.
Turn up the mic, yeah.
God.
Right now, my name want rest.
Every time you come on your live, yeah, I was so they can't they can't for you. They can't for you.
We don't
Yeah,
know
what
what
about
to
fun?
do.
No, man, let me tell you now. Let me tell you what.
We
Let me
should
tell
in
you
a
what.
some church.
No.
On a level still, people. It look like say, come, hot for Shauna Chin from cause days. You saw me I say, because of what Shauna Chin allegedly do to her. Because she said Shauna Chin did a OBR. You know what I mean? And she come admit say yes, I saw it go. So maybe she a think say yo, with she and cause oh them not there together no more and them something there. Maybe she a give Shauna Chin some of the blame too. You understand what I say? So maybe that's why even to this day she had for Shauna Chin. You know what I mean? Cause she said what she said still, you know. Shauna Chin did respond one at a time and then she come back and give another response. But the response here what she give, it look like say, you know what I mean, she a kinda style come and say boy a some cloud. Come and look make she a call up her name cause every time she go live, she call up her name and them something. Me I go search for that. Respond there. I see if me share with you. You know what I mean? So true come know say everything what she attack, she have receipt feed because Shauna China herself come admit say yes. You know what I mean? She did do certain things. She have all right because she knows say she have a receipt and a fear her truth and nobody can stop you from, you know what I mean, talk your truth. So when Shauna China respond, you know, like say Shauna China try to change the narrative because it look bad pan she, you know what I mean? But it look like say she only gonna make matters worse. So I could listen some more.
Ants for the fat, you know. Ants for the fat. And you're fat, you understand? So them are ants and
Yeah.
ants are one fat, you
Me
understand?
think, me believe say either me street in a church, I no member, cause me little bit as me tell them me live very out of the road, and little bit of thief.
You
And me
shouldn't go in
know
that
some
church.
old people house.
You
So me
shouldn't
look
go in
at
that
them
church.
so we don't think for them 50 cents out of their house.
You
But me
shouldn't
look
go in
at
that
old
church.
people. So maybe it come like a that's why cross is ever follow me.
I church right in front of your house. And I want to sit, you know?
I must not want to miss it now.
Lord of God. Oi.
Right now, me have to make a media go on. Me no go on. Me can't manage our pink wall this week. Me tired.
Nick,
You know what you say? Tired. Me
if,
tired right now.
if they make me start because after me move to giant church, you know, I see my mother
Yes,
say, boy, this morning, my mother cuss me say, me, call me them on TikTok and me have to cuss bad all. And a Sunday morning. You understand? What? Me get it. You run out the house. Yo. Me get it. Because
They always have a sense when fox gang got to go up and say sour.
it's sour.
They
Yes,
always say
man.
that road there. When
Yes, man.
fox gang got to go up and say it's sour.
It's sour.
So when
You
people
understand?
discriminate against anything,
Yeah, we make the sour great, man.
they say, oh, that group is sour.
Yes.
I look for.
Yes. You don't give them what they want.
Me?
You understand? Do not
Give
give
me
them what they
what
want.
they love.
Mhm.
Me not give them what they want. Cause me a big blood clot woman has gone to them. Cause them and my woman and them have me newspaper. Me have it.
Boy.
Any day a mad boy fuck me one got take his breath out of my body.
Ja,
Right
no.
out.
Why?
Kill me dirty blood clot.
Why Shauna Chin,
Man.
that I go ever. You know what I mean? Aunt you. Nah, lie.
But yeah, I'm not share one time. If you like and share,
So,
not like
so,
and
so,
share.
so you say, no,
Hello,
I
Miss
too,
Marcia. I want to woman. Miss Smith. Hello. Somebody come up here. I don't want to sleep, man. Cause I come like a two husband and wife in them bed. But they were slightly not go grind and glow me.
yeah. So tell me something. Let me get this straight. A girl mad and a mad. So how you offended? Two mad somebody a kiss man?
What you say? You mix up my brain, you know.
Then if a man mad, that means a girl mad too.
No,
Yes, man.
she mad, you
This
know.
someone that don't know what go on, you know.
This is
They
what
walk
I
and
say.
tie people pitting like a dog and
Yes,
tie who they want and tie they don't want no more than 3
this
let
is
you.
what I say, man.
That me know about them, you know.
When
Then I
people
say
come
your
at
cousin are wicked and your cousin work up your kind of thing.
me a hug man too, you know.
My hands is clean to the Almighty God, man. I
Listen
run.
me. Me a hug man. Me
And
a
I want
everything
to
bad.
sure about.
To tell them
Now
say,
what I do nobody know.
to tell them say you have one cousin right now. So my name Wicked. Look what my name. Wicked. So me be working good for them. Eh,
Mercy Jesus.
me know what we do, you know. Okay.
Yeah, but I have to wait till then you're then done, then we come back. Then you're, we can't look out then your case right now, okay? You see me start right now, me say then your case I go rest. But can't rest, me want that run, look. I me start right now, cause me say me have every room of blood clot. Me have proof and proof and proof and proof and proof. Yeah. And I look, I'm a spiritual no blood clot. One thing with me, God ever show me before it happen. Yeah.
Them to know.
God show me everything before it happens. So me not look on a dirty. Me not look on a comeback.
You know.
Why people? Shauna Chin, me not lie. The gully bop thing that I go ever haunt her. You see me, that are the first thing people are go say when she and them in a mix up. Cause me see her online a play a match, you know, me see she a play against people, you know, and them a beat her with the gully bop situation, you know, because a whole heap of things go on when Shauna Chin and gully bop did a date, you know. Remember one of the time gully bop getting face bust up by Shauna Chin with a padlock, you know, cause him say she did in at the house with a man or whatever. Me did know from jump say Shauna Chin never really want gully bop, but the opportunity did it. Because here we go on, all we go on with she and him still, you know, she help him out, you know, people. You know what I mean? So she have to get her props for that. Because when Gullibot did bust, people did just gravitate to him, give him to show, and give him a little bit of money and them something there. But just when Shauna Chin come in at the picture, everything changed with Gullibot. You know what I mean? She get him past thing that are the first thing where I think she do. You see me? Me not believe him did get paid for Sting, but he give him a promotion, he give him a highlight. So you see, after Sting, a whole heap of bookings him get him fly go Canada, England, America, and a Shauna Chin do all of them there something there. So she have to get her props same way. You know what I mean? For coming in him life and help him out. Him help she and she help him. But at the end of the day, she make use of what she get out of the relationship. But him, Gullibop did too free-handed. And me feel like say Shauna Chin, the first thing she should have do after she get him one car or whatever, and maybe buy one look up his salon game. Although the money never did a make like that no whole heap, you know what I mean? Because him never had for too long. I mean I think him did a get no millions for sure. She do what she could have do. Maybe the money could have buy a house at the time. You know what I mean? But me feel like a piece of land could have buy. You know what I mean? But I saw it thing go. She do what she do. You know what I mean? So she have to get props also for help him out. Not just for take him, say people a beat her, say she take him money and them something there. She help him also. You see it? She help him too. Or him help her.
Back, you know?
Yeah, you know, my girl, me not look for no scumbag right now. Well, come back or scums back or whatever bag it want call me. Me can't matter. Me want the near case run liquor. And yeah, and if me see something when I hit the internet, then me go hit the internet again. Cause
The near,
me like
turn
when
up
they
the
jack
mic,
me,
yeah.
I like when they talk, you know, cause that shit motivates me. Yeah.
Yes.
That
Oh,
shit motivates me.
Oh, you need motivation.
Nah.
I didn't know you need motivation.
Alright.
Oh my God.
Cause for them tongue, them blood clot. For them tongue, yeah? Tight paper.
Or a bell tongue.
I feel shoot up and then girl tongue, man. Shoot up. Tell you go battle like a dog.
Jano Star.
Why? You know, we never get body wash it though.
Whatever.
Hey, I'm
Oh, did that one? Oh, the
I can't manage your blood clot. You make the spirit clot.
Yo. Jano Star. Me no feel say them they sit there for man. Man no forget them there something there.
I'm saying I'm a friend
You
of mine
see?
had to pussy clot.
Love the woman and the freaky man them
Keep me out
today
there
them
boxing
sitting there.
already.
You know what I mean?
Keep
Me
me
no
out there
feel
boxing
like say
already.
you feel me? Nobody play around your ear, you know what I mean?
We play on one match with them. We see if we can show to Anat or one Anat.
I say I don't see a soul to blood clot, my cousin. Look at me see sassy now. Our time, prayer, man, I throw you something on the table. Girl, what's your looks?
But
Natural, everything about me natural, me nah look. That's my blend then, that's my cranny.
oh God.
Then that's a come cranny. But who cares what the media say? Who cares what the media say? I don't care. I don't care. Red fire? Oh, y'all long tongue it go. Nah, make them see you, cause we don't want them see you, them are germs. Do-do-do. God, you don't stop. Thank you. Hi, beautiful. Hi to you too. Yeah, turn on yourself.
You know something that cause
King David, sit up on the heaven. That's a cool man. Hallelujah. Where's the cause? See people business and live it alone. What one call it?
Where I do my watch friend, I don't know a long yo.
You good?
Long time. Yeah, I'm a good man.
Okay.
There, man, I pass through and see you know them here there.
Yeah.
Long time there, you friend, you know, mama.
Me there, man. Me there out, man.
I want you know, me there, you friend.
No. Me never see you last time. Look.
Some people, alright, just so me I go in it. You know what I mean? Let me know when I think